Label is a standard component in SwiftUI, which consists of an icon with a title. You can create a label by providing it a title and a name for the image. You can use an image from SF symbols inside of the label. Just like text views, we can change the size by using the font modifier. Let's apply a title to the font modifier. If we need to apply a specific font size to a label, we can use the .systemSize modifier. Let's update the size to 45. If you're looking for more control over the text and icon, you can use the other initializer that accepts two view builders for text and image. Inside of the first set of curly braces, we add a text view. In the second set of curly braces, we add an image view using SF symbols. Now, if we want to customize the text view separately from the label, we can. Let's say we want to make our text bold with a color of pink, we can do the following. If we want to update our image to use a fill variant and have a color of purple, we can do the following. No matter which label initializer we use, you can modify how the label is displayed by using the .labelStyle modifier. There are three available options for this modifier: .title only, .icon only, and .automatic. Let's see how these work. When you want to just display the title, you can use the .title only modifier. When you want to display the image only, you can use the .icon only modifier. When you use the .automatic inside of the label style modifier, it will resolve its appearance automatically based on the current context.